So this is the plan. Hey everybody, we're back here in the eBay room, and that means it's time to pull some orders. You know the drill. This one right here I already have pulled. This is a Fry Daddy. This is pretty cool. We picked this up at a garage sale for, I think it was $5 a month or so ago. And it sat in our store for a while and it didn't really do much, but we just left it there. We didn't really tweak it too much, or we didn't even really get any offers on it. And it ended up selling though for $30 plus shipping, which was a great price for this thing. It's vintage and it's in great condition. So keep an eye out for those, guys. Next, we sold a Nerf gun, and guys, this big mess right here is here because yesterday, Pam went in our closet where we have a lot of our shipping supplies, not all of them, mostly like bubble wrap, poly bags, and other stuff like that. Tape, we keep our tape in there, and our labels for the Dymo, all that kind of stuff is in there. And we had some boxes in there for whatever reason. They're just boxes that we're not gonna use. So yesterday, Pam was in there and she just ripped them all out of there. We're gonna have a fire in our backyard. We're gonna just burn them all. Gonna have a bonfire. Maybe, I think either tomorrow night. If not tomorrow night, we'll have it this weekend. And we're just gonna burn them to get them out of here. But so that's why these are right here in the way. But it's all part of cleaning up this room. It's actually getting there a little bit. This table's getting cleared off a bit. This is all stuff that's been listed. And the shelves are looking fairly neat, and we're getting some room in here, which is good. That being said, I need to get over this pile of boxes to pull an order. It was this right here, this Nerf gun, and this Nerf gun sold probably like 4 or 5 days ago, and it was never paid for whatever reason. It wasn't even a best offer. It was just somebody bought it. And it looked like their account was new, so that's why I was like, oh boy. I did not expect to get paid for this at all. They had 0 feedback. The payment didn't come through for whatever reason. Their payment bounced. They didn't have it. I don't know what happened, but it didn't get paid for right away. And it didn't get paid for days. And an unpaid items case was automatically opened. On the last day that they had a chance to pay before the case would be closed and the item would be relisted, they ended up paying for the thing. So that was great. We have a whole bunch of Nerf guns. We bought a whole bunch of them at a garage sale for I think like $10. And we've already sold a couple. And this is the third one that we've sold, which is nice. And we got $11.99 plus shipping for that gun. So not too bad. I'll take it. I'll take the sale. I don't care if we had to wait a little bit for it. It's fine. As long as they paid, I'll take it. Good to get it out. We sold this little bookend right here, this cast iron bookend. It is a ship. It's actually pretty awesome, in my opinion. I think it's really cool. We picked this up at an estate sale probably a month ago. It's really heavy. It's cast iron. And yeah, it's cool. I thought it was probably like either a doorstop or a bookend. It could probably be used for either one. Might not be quite heavy enough to be a doorstop. I don't know. That's sold, and it actually is going out to a viewer. It's going out to Laura. So Laura, thank you so much. She left a little message too. She says, thank you so much for the offer. I sent an offer out to some watchers on this. She says, thank you so much for the offer. When I saw you pick this up at the estate sale, I hoped that I would be able to pick it up from you. I have a fascination with ships and piratey things. I recently picked up a bronze pirate bookend by Paul Herzl from a yard sale for a whopping $5. Wow, that's really cool. This ship will look great next to my pirate. That is really awesome, Laura. So I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for the channel support and for the business. You got a really cool piece here, and I hope that it looks great. If you want, send me a picture when you have it next to your pirate. That'd be cool. Then we sold, right over this stuff again, we sold a big lot of Atari games. I thought we were completely sold out of Atari games. As you guys know, if you've been following the channel for a while, we had a whole lot of Atari stuff that we picked up at a garage sale. Consoles, games, attachments, controllers, accessories, that kind of stuff. We made different lots on all the stuff we got. I paid 50 bucks, I think, for everything. And it ended up being a really great deal. We made some good money on the buy for sure. A lot of people thought I overpaid which I kind of did too, for the whole bundle of stuff. But it ended up working out well. We sold through all of it in under 3 months, maybe 4 months. And yeah, it's great. This is the last of it. This is the last big lot of games. And Mia, I'm sorry if, I don't know if it's Mia or Maya. I think it's Mia, bought this lot of, I think it's 16 games. I believe it's 16. Atari games, they're all assorted. And they come in this nice case. And she bought them for her husband. So thank you so much, Mia. I really appreciate it. And I hope that your husband enjoys them. Then finally, we have to brave ourselves over this big mound of boxes again. Of course, everything's over in this corner that's sold today. We need to pick up this. This is a pair of Nikes, obviously. As you guys can see the box. Big box, big pair of shoes here. They're size 13. And they're a gift. Whoever bought them told us no invoice. These are a gift. Make sure the box is complete, which it is. And make sure they're brand new, which they are. But these are a pair of Nikes. I forget what the... Air Force Ones, I guess is what they are. These were retail arbitrage fine. I believe we picked these up for $50. They're kind of a bad buy. But I've been lowering the price on them for a while. And then the price has been going back up. You know, I've been having sales on them, running a sale and not running a sale. They haven't really moved. We haven't got many offers on them at all. I think I even lowered the price down to like 60 bucks at one point just to get rid of them. But it actually worked out well. They ended up selling today for $97.99 or something, plus shipping. So, hey, I'll take it. I'm not complaining. They ended up selling in the end for decent money. Didn't make a lot on them, but we didn't lose either. And we recouped a good amount of money back, which is nice. So these are going out. That is all we have going out today. All right, everybody, it is Friday. No, it's not. It's not Friday. It is, what day is it? Thursday, obviously. Thursday. It's Thursday. I'm back here in the eBay room, gonna pull some orders. We sold, how many things do we sell? 9 things? All the same thing. Kind of funny, guys. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But first I want to say I am just absolutely loving the new laptop. It's an amazing computer. Like, I just can't get over it. I love talking about it. It's such an amazing computer, so I'm loving it. It's working out great. Apple's the best. Anyway, what else is going on? I wanted to tell you guys something else. Oh, right. This weekend, Pam and I are going to be holding our own garage sale. So this is the plan. What we're going to be doing is, I think early in the morning, we're going to be going out and hitting some garage sales for actually sourcing. We're going to do that probably like 9:30 in the morning, try to hit as many as possible. We'll go through the yard sale treasure map and probably just pick out the ones that look the best or the ones that are going to be worth us hitting early. And then we're going to come home and have a garage sale at 10:30, and then probably have it go till like maybe 2 or something. What we plan on doing is tomorrow night, so Friday, we're going to set up a bunch of tables in our garage, have them all set up so when we get home from going to garage sales, all we have to do is just open the garage doors, bring the tables out, and we'll be ready to go. I got to get it posted up on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace and stuff like that so people can know where the garage sale is and that it's going to be going on and what time and everything. And also, maybe we need to make some signs so that some people can know that it's going on that might not, you know, check Craigslist and Facebook and stuff, and bring people in just off traffic out on the streets. Oh, and another thing that we're going to be doing too is we're going to be live streaming the actual garage sale. I think we're going to be doing this. We're going to be live streaming the actual garage sale on our other channel. If you guys aren't subscribed to that, go check it out, turn on the bell notifications so that you know when we are actually live. But I think we're just going to turn on the computer, set it up so that it's facing the garage sale as best as possible. We're just going to live stream it. If you guys are bored and you want to watch a live stream of a garage sale, which will be ours, I think we're going to be doing that. So if you want to check that out, that should be on our other channel this Saturday morning. So that's what's going on. Let's get to pulling orders. So this is what we sold, guys. Bunch of orders today. and we sold all these comics. This is crazy. You guys are amazing. Ugh. Let's bring these over here. More Superman comics, guys. Where do I want to put these? I'll just put them right here for now. And I'll let you guys know who bought them. So the first one that is going out is... This one sold, so they bought one comic and it sold to Chris. Chris is a fellow YouTuber as well. I think he's a YouTuber, pretty sure. Anyway, he's a viewer, obviously. So Chris, thank you so much for your purchase. I'll read his little message here. He said, "Hey YouTube, I am a YouTube subscriber, Stones the Pop reseller, and I'm also a reseller. I really enjoy your channel. I was the manager of a local comic book shop when these comics originally came out." Wow, that is really cool. "DC tried killing off Superman, and our store was featured on the news for draping an oversized Superman cape made from 10 bed sheets sewn together over our building." Wow, that is really cool. No kidding. That's an awesome story. Thank you so much for that message, and thank you for the purchase, Stones the Pop reseller. I hope you enjoy your Superman comic, and that's a great story, and thank you so much for the business. Another comic here. So this one sold to a viewer. He didn't leave a message, but I know he's a viewer. I've seen him many times before, and I believe he's purchased from us before. So Don, thank you so much for the continued support of the channel and for your purchase. Don the Bargain Hunter. He's always commenting on our videos. Really, really nice guy. So Don, thank you so much. We really appreciate this, and hope you enjoy your comic. Next, guys, we sold another comic. This sold to, who did this sell to? This sold to Gary. So Gary, thank you so much for the business and the channel support. Pam and I really do appreciate it. Gary left a little message. He says, "Watch your YouTube videos. They are great. Thanks for all of the information in the videos. I am a reseller on eBay as well." Wow, that means a lot. When people say that, when they say, "Oh, thank you for the information," or "Thanks for the tips," or "Thanks for, you know, being inspiration," that really means a lot, because we've only been reselling for a year. We are by no means experts. We are learning every day from a lot of you guys. We're learning every day. And for somebody to tell us that really does mean the world to us. And those kind of messages really, honestly, they really keep us driving and keep us going here on YouTube. You know, when people leave nice messages saying that they really enjoy the channel, that does mean a lot. And it really helps us to continue to put out content for you guys, because you're enjoying it. So it makes us want to do it more. Thank you, Gary. And then lastly, we've got 6 comics going out, all one order. So this morning I was actually going through comments on our video early this morning. I do that a lot in the early morning hours. You know, while we're sleeping, people are watching our video and commenting, and I like to address everybody's comment, or at least try to. Sometimes it's hard, but I try the best of my ability to get back to everybody that comments on our videos. So I do that every morning when I wake up, and I see this message from Queen City Thrifters. They're a great viewer of the channel. They're always commenting on our videos and saying really nice things. And they said, "Hey, love the video," or something like that. And then they were like, "By the way, you're sold out of comic books." And I was like, "What?" And I went and looked, and they bought the remaining 6 comics that we had in our store. And it's funny, because after they bought them all, there was a lot of people messaging us and was like, "Hey, I want to buy a comic. I can't find them in your store." It's like, well, they're sold out. Sorry, guys. So this is going out to Chad, is his name. Chad. Chad bought 6 comics. This is crazy. Chad bought 6 comics, and he says, "Ryan and Pam, my family and I love watching you all on YouTube. You are both entertaining and very informational. Love your personalities. Keep up the great work. Chad from Queen City Thrifters." So Chad, thank you so much. And to you and your family for watching our channel. That really does mean a lot. Like I was just saying a minute ago, you know, those kind of messages are what really drive us to continue to make content for you all to watch. So that is awesome, Chad. Thank you so much for buying all these comics. You have a huge stack here. Maybe you're, you know what? Let me know, Chad, what you're gonna do with these. Are you gonna sell them yourself? Or are you gonna use them as gifts for people? Because you have a ton of comics coming your way, sir. So anyway, we're gonna get to shipping now. It's gonna be pretty easy to ship these things. These comics are super easy to ship. Man, I wish I had more of these comics, because they were great sellers. Anyway, so that is what's going out. I'm gonna get to shipping now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Pam and I really do appreciate it. Pam's actually out doing, out in the kitchen doing dishes right now. That's why she's not in here. But thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you this weekend. We'll be doing some garage sales, our own, obviously, and hopefully hitting some more as well. Hopefully see you guys in the live stream on Saturday evening, not evening, Saturday morning for our own personal garage sale. We'll be filming that one as well. So if you do miss it, it will be on this channel eventually. I'll be filming with the GoPro. But if you want to check it out live, unedited, streamed, we'll be over there. So have a great day, everybody. We will see you very soon. Bye.